my name is Jake. I'm 30 years old. I'm from Newton, Massachusetts, and I've been coming to the spa for the past 3 years. In addition to getting Botox treatments, I've recently started getting CoolTone treatments.
CoolTone works by magnetic muscle stimulation. It's the equivalent of doing 20,000 squats or crunches in about 30 minutes. It's great to enhance your core strength and also to give you some definition.
It works perfectly with my busy lifestyle. It enhances my workout, and I leave the spa feeling like I've gained strength in my core. I highly recommend CoolTone as a quick 30-minute treatment.
We'd love to have you come in for a consultation regarding your abdomen or buttock anytime.